Need a little extra help with homework? AI can be a powerful study partner, making it easier to understand tough topics and stay organized. Imagine having a tutor available 24/7, ready to assist you with any subject anytime. Whether it's math, science, history, or literature, AI tools can break down complex concepts into simple, digestible pieces. They can also help you manage your time effectively, ensuring you never miss a deadline. With AI, studying becomes less stressful and more efficient, giving you the confidence to excel in your academic journey.
Let's say you're struggling with a math problem. Instead of feeling stuck, you can type your question into ChatGPT or another AI tutor app. Within moments, you'll receive detailed step-by-step explanations that break down the problem into manageable parts. This not only helps you understand the solution, but also teaches you the underlying concepts. Whether it's algebra, geometry, or calculus, these AI tools are designed to assist you in grasping complex topics, making homework less daunting and more manageable.
And there you have it, a detailed answer from ChatGPT, breaking down the problem for you. AI also helps with study notes. Tools like Notion AI are incredibly useful for students who need to manage large amounts of information. Notion AI, or OneNote's AI feature, can summarize lengthy notes into key points, making it easier to digest complex subjects. This not only saves you time, but also enhances your study efficiency. Imagine having all your important information condensed into bite-sized pieces, ready for quick review. Whether you're preparing for exams or just trying to keep up with your coursework, these AI tools can be a game changer. They allow you to focus on understanding the material rather than getting bogged down by endless pages of notes.
And if you need flashcards, Quizlet's AI-based recommendations help you focus on areas where you need extra practice.
With these AI tools, students can study smarter, not harder. Give them a try and see how they improve your study sessions.